Hello everyone, this is your host Chef Andrew from Keto Fine Dining, and welcome back to my channel, which is dedicated for healthy and delicious low-carb recipes. So today I'm gonna share with you my favorite way how to cook an eggplant. This mind-blowing recipe makes eggplant tender in the middle with slightly charred edges coated in a delicious phenomenal sauce, which adds it so much flavor and goodness. Also, it's incredibly easy to prepare and goes with just about anything. So let's get started. So here you can see all the ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe. For the first step, let's take a large eggplant and cut it vertically into thin long slices. Now let's stack a few of them on top of each other and cut it one more time so that we can cut them into thin long pieces, about half an inch thick. Once that's done, let's take a large non-stick frying pan, add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and when the pan is nice and hot, add the eggplant to the pan and fry on medium-high heat for a couple of minutes until the eggplant has a nice golden brown color on all sides. I can only fit half of sliced eggplant to my frying pan, so I'll have to do it in 2 batches. Also, when you're frying, make sure to stir from time to time so it'll be cooked evenly on all sides. So when you think it's ready, transfer to the bowl and repeat the same process with the remaining eggplant. When everything is cooked, let's make the sauce. You can make the sauce in a separate container and then add it to the eggplant, or just add ingredients directly to the eggplant and give it a really good mix. So let's start with 1 teaspoon of erythritol sweetener, then half a teaspoon of chicken powder, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 pressed garlic cloves, and finally 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Let's give it a really good mix so that everything is fully combined. And for the final step, let's garnish it with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. And now you're ready to enjoy this amazing side dish. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, then it would mean a lot to me if you can hit the like button to support this channel. And if you're looking for more healthy, delicious low-carb recipes, then you can subscribe to my channel because I have so many other recipes that I just can't wait to share with you. I wish you well, and I'll see you very soon in the next episode. Bye!